Greetings to everyone, this is Joyson here, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about JioMart. JioMart is an Indian grocery delivery service owned and managed by Reliance Jio. JioMart is launched in 200 cities and towns across India. JioMart delivers grocery and daily essentials from nearby stores. Let me show you JioMart app. We can find JioMart app on Play Store. We can download and install app easily. When we open app for the first time, JioMart will ask the permissions to access the location and to send and view SMS, which we must allow. Then we can sign in to view our addresses, orders and wish list. Even though you don't have a JioMart account, you can sign in using mobile number and OTP. Enter mobile number and click next. The OTP will be auto-detected by JioMart app. Then we can enter our first name, last name and email address. Now click on verify. Then enter your PIN code to check availability of JioMart service in your area. You can also search any products using search bar. Also, JioMart has this interesting option to add our shopping list, which will surely help us to shop faster. Next comes offer slides, which will regularly show you offers related to discounts, cashbacks and festive offers. Then we can view top brand products with great discounts. Also, we have offers on daily essentials on JioMart. Next, we can shop category wise like fruits and vegetables, dairy and bakery, snacks, personal care, etc. Now as we scroll down, we can find various exciting offers on various products. You can also add required products to your cart as you are shopping. Once shopping list is added to cart, we can place an order. To place an order, click on cart icon at top right corner. Now here we can find all items which we have added. In payment detail section, MRP total, discount and total amount to be paid is mentioned. After confirmation, we can place order by selecting place order option at bottom. Now if it is a first order, JioMart will ask you to add address. In address section, by default all details will be present. Only we need is local address and landmark. Remember that all fields can be modified according to our choice. Even mobile number can be changed. After adding our first address, JioMart will make it as a default address. The most interesting thing about JioMart is free delivery. There is no minimum requirement or condition for free delivery. Now we can proceed for payment by selecting Make Payment option at bottom. For payments, there are various methods available such as wallets, UPI, credit or debit card, internet banking and Sodexo. Also we get COD option available. After placing an order, you will receive order number SMS on your registered mobile number. Also we can view or manage our orders. We can click on view details to check more about order. Here we can find expected delivery date. We can track our order. We can see order details, order items and also delivery address. Now JioMart app shows expected delivery time 4 to 5 days from the time you place your order, but usually the delivery is fast. It takes hardly 1 to 2 days for delivery. At last, we can also cancel our order by selecting cancel option at bottom. While cancellation, we can select the valid reason for cancelling the order and submit. Here is an sample video after receiving order from JioMart. Now JioMart product packaging is not so good. You may expect a lot from JioMart, but all products are delivered loose. Unlike Amazon and Flipkart, there is no standard packaging. So here was all about JioMart. I hope it was helpful for you. Do like, share and comment your thoughts. Feel free to subscribe my channel so that you, my friend, will never miss such interesting and useful videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you. God bless India.